Hey everyone, Erica here and welcome back to the channel. If you're an outdoor adventurer who needs a watch that survives drops, dives and dust while giving you accurate GPS, a built-in flashlight for night hikes and battery life that lasts weeks with solar charging, then strap in because today we're exploring a rugged wrist companion that's built for the wild. I'm talking about the Garmin Instinct 3. This tough GPS smartwatch has an AMOLED display for clear views, military-grade durability and features like multi-band GPS for pinpoint tracking in remote areas. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description and trust me, it's going to make your hikes safer, your workouts smarter, and your daily life more connected without ever quitting on you. Let's break it down and see why this watch is conquering the outdoors in 2025. First, the feature breakdown on the Garmin Instinct 3. This isn't your fragile smartwatch. It's Garmin's rugged outdoor GPS smartwatch designed for extreme conditions. With a 45mm fiber-reinforced polymer case, metal-reinforced bezel, and scratch-resistant lens that's tested to MIL STD 810 standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance up to 10 atmospheres. The standout is the solar charging that extends battery life up to 18 days in smartwatch mode, or even longer with sun exposure. Perfect for multi-day trips without charges. The 1.2-inch AMOLED display is vibrant and easy to read in sunlight, showing stats, notifications, and basic navigation at a glance. It has multi-band GPS with SAT IQ technology for accurate positioning and optimized battery use, plus a 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter for elevation tracking. Health monitoring includes wrist-based heart rate, pulse ox for oxygen levels, advanced sleep tracking with stages and score, stress monitoring, and body battery for energy management. It supports over 30 activity profiles like running, swimming, hiking, and skiing, with training metrics such as VO2 max, training load, and recovery time. The watch has a built-in LED flashlight with variable intensities and strobe modes for visibility in the dark, and tactical features like stealth mode to disable wireless signals. It offers smart notifications for texts and apps when paired to your phone, customizable watch faces, and Garmin Connect app compatibility for detailed analysis and challenges. The button interface is glove-friendly, with no touchscreen for reliability in wet or dirty conditions. Setup is simple. Charge it, pair via Bluetooth, customize profiles, and go. Priced around $442, it's a durable investment with essential features for outdoor pros. Versatility is massive. Use the flashlight for camping, track hikes with GPS and altimeter, monitor health with sleep insights, or use it daily with notifications and weather. The solar charging is key for off-grid adventures, and the rugged build makes it ideal for tough environments. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are enormous. The long solar battery means weeks without charging. The rugged build handles abuse like drops and water without issues. The AMOLED display is clear in all light, and users love the accurate GPS that holds in forested or urban areas. The flashlight adds utility for night use, health metrics like pulse ox help with altitude acclimation, and it's quiet with no unnecessary beeps. The price offers great value for the durability, and the app is robust for insights. But no watch is indestructible. The main con is the lack of advanced features like music storage or full maps. It's more basic, the screen can scratch without protection, some note the band feels cheap, and while tough, it's not as feature-rich as higher-end models. Overall, pros dominate for outdoor enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Garmin Instinct 3 if you want a reliable, rugged watch for adventures. The pros like solar battery, durability, and accurate tracking make total sense for hikers, campers, or fitness fans in tough conditions. It's not just a watch, it's your outdoor survivor for peak performance. Before we wrap, if these reviews adventure your interest, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.